So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a really exciting video for you all. I'm back at it with makeup tutorial. I don't know why, but I just was laying down, I thought, you know what, I want to do some makeup. And I'm sure all of you are very happy because most of you subscribed for the makeup. So, I'm going to be doing like a 0. You know what, I'm not a 0 without makeup. I'm a good 20. A 20 to 10. I rate myself a 20 out of 10, 100 right now, not a 20 out of 10. God, I love myself. I do, you gotta love yourself. This has gone off topic. What am I doing? If you like me, subscribe please, and if you don't worry, just watch the video, enjoy it. It's fine, you might like me by the end. Give it a big thumbs up if you haven't already. Well, I don't think you have already because it's only been 10 seconds. You know. But I'm gonna do like a full glam makeup tutorial. We got a makeup tutorial going and I look a bit dead right now. Oh god, my tan. I think it explains itself for you all. And the nails, everything. Yeah. Let's get started. So as you all know, I always start with eyeshadow and I don't ever do my eyebrows anymore just because I don't like filling in my eyebrows. I know. Am I right? I don't think so. I just don't like doing my eyebrows. It's really weird. I used to do like an Instagram brows to another level and now I'm just like loving the natural brows, so I just basically like carve the bottoms out of concealer and then I do my eyeshadow and stuff. But yeah, I use the P. Louise base in Ruma 0.5 and then my Morphe M148 and then basically I just put it on the back. I'll show you. Like that. And then I get like a diddy bit, that the word's really cute, and then I just, oh god, I got eyelashes, nice, and then what I do is I just like,
I'm gonna just put it all over my eye because we're prepping and priming these eyeballs. So
I'm going to do the other eye, and then there you go. Well, we've done our eyelids, and now basically I'm taking my eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use, well obviously, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. I really like this palette. Yeah, oh I haven't taken the oh should we peel it off together? Oh no, I want to leave it on. I changed my mind. I think basically I want to do like a good look. Well, we're not going to want to do a bad look, are we? It'll probably turn out bad because I'm done makeup in ages, but that's fine. We're going to use Dusty Rose, just because I like the name, to be honest. Yeah, we're going to start with Dusty Rose. Please ignore my nails, they're a mess. Dusty Rose, and then I'm just going to, I'm using my Zoeva Rose Golden 228 Luxe Crease BTW. Yeah, there's tons of fallout, but it's a good palette, so we just wipe off the fallout. It's not the end of the world. Okay, let's get blending. I'm going to do it on this eye first, and you can see how I blend if you care. I do that on the other eye. So, by the way, I know it looks a little bit crazy because it's like coming right off the edges, but I do that by purpose so then I can like wipe it off obviously. Now just taking the same brush, I'm going to go in and take Mulberry, I said that really weird, and take it on like blend it a tiny bit on the outer bit, just dab it in a little diddy bit and blend it in the first like on the outer bit just to deepen it up. We are going to clean it up, don't worry.
that's all we're going for.
Okay, now we're going to wipe that away because look at the state of me. As usual, we're going to do a half cut crease because when do I not do a half cut crease? Never. I love half cut creases. I'm going to obviously cut half of my crease with the P. Louise base as always, and then I think just on that bit I'm going to use the shade, should we use bronze? I want to do like a bronze or like a glistening or rose pink. No, I think, and then I'm going to use bronze on top, so Look how sparkly.
Whoa.
Yes. And then because we like don't want the edges to be sharp, hang on, I just need to do a little bit there. We don't want the edges to be like that sharp. We're just gonna blend down that little line. Like that. That is the eyeshadow. I need to do that on that eye now. Now we finish the eyes, I will do like my lashes and that at the end if I decide to do lashes. Doesn't matter. Okay, now obviously we're going to do like face stuff. So, where's my primer gone? I swear around primer. Am I being stupid? Have I just... Huh? No. Hang on. Okay, I got my primer. So, the primer I'm using is the Rimmel Fix and Perfect Makeup Primer. I really, really like this primer. I haven't used it in ages. And I'm just going to use this Coastal Scents brush. It doesn't have a number on, so I don't know, like, what brush it is, sorry. Yeah, I like to use quite a lot of primer because, I don't know, I just do. That was a really good explanation, well done. I need, like, my forehead, no, it's not forehead, it's a forehead. And then I just like to use a brush because it takes away a little tiny bit of the product and also it's more clean. And then I don't let my primer sink in for too long because that's just the way I go. Also, my skin's really bad at the moment because it's like almost that time of the month, if you know what I mean. But my skin before that's been getting so much better. Anyway, now I'm going to take my foundation, the Colourpop No Filter foundation in the shade Light 75. It's this shade here. It seems a bit light for me actually, because I'm tanned by the way. But yeah, I'm just going to take a few pumps of that, I think I said that, and use my Sigma F80 brush. I'm just going to, should I just pump it on my cheek? This is very like high coverage and really good, this foundation actually as a whole. Like look how flawless I look. That sounded really vain, like look how flawless my skin looks, I mean, because of the foundation, not me. Like yeah, I'm well flawless. Like look at that, that is mental, man. Don't know what's going with that. But yeah, like look, that just blends perfectly. Like my skin looks seamless and perfect. Now obviously the forehead, because we don't want to leave the forehead looking like that. Well, it's going to drip down, it's going to drip down, help me. Okay, next we're going to take the concealer, and I use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 02, which is quite a big difference to the colour of the foundation. But I just love a bright under eye, like that's just the way I roll. God knows what I'm doing. It's very pale, oh well, I'm just going to go with it. Oh wow, that is like white. Put quite a lot on.
I'm loving this look so far. I'm going to try and blend it down so I can spread the products around.
Okay, that's way too light. Okay. It doesn't really matter. We're just going to go with it. And the other eye. Okay, and then a little tiny bit on the forehead, just there, and then on the chin. But oh well, we're just going to wipe our foundation lips off because I don't like them. Okay, so the powder I actually use is the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. I've never tried it, it's in translucent. A little bit worried in case it's really bad, but I just live in that life on the edge. Put it in the lid. Okay. Okay, no, it comes off really white. Put a little bit of cheek bake on, and then my little friends bake here. sharp. Now we're going to contour our cheekbones to the gods. I'm going to use the contour kit Light to Medium by Anastasia Beverly Hills and my Zoeva 110 face shape. I put way too much on. I'm going to look. I feel like that's made my forehead look bigger. Okay, right, now I'm not going to bother like contouring my nose because now we're just going to wipe all that bake off because I'm professional like that. And then all that bake. Yeah, I quite like how this look is looking so far. So I'm just going to take, I'm a little bit nervous, I think I'm going to dab some of this on my cheeks, like a tiny, tiny bit. Oh my god, I'm really scared, okay. This is the Chloe Lewis Beauty highlight in Pink Pearl, something like that. Now. Okay, it's pretty, but it's mixed in with the powder product, and now it looks dreadful. Nose. Cupid's body. My Cupid's body, what? And on my chin, but I got a big spot, and now I've just put highlighter on the spot. Why do I do it? In my inner corner. In my inner corner. In my inner corner. Highlighted. It's like a cute bun. It's not that cute, but well, I'm not that cute. Now we're going to use this Colourpop My Little Pony times Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in shade Flutter Valley, and we're just going to put it on lips because it's gold and extra. So this is the actual finished look, and I kind of like it, but just the powder made my under eye look a little cheeky, a little bit cakey, but not much we can do about that. I don't really care. I quite like it. By the way, I don't use eyelashes at the moment because I can't be bothered. Not gonna lie. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a... Why did I do that? Give it a big thumbs up down below if you enjoyed it, and if you recreate this, make sure to tag me in it on Instagram. My Instagram is smakeup_, and yeah, I want to see you all recreate it if you want. You probably don't. And yeah, give it a big thumbs up. I already said that a million times. Hit that subscribe button down below, and I love you all so much. Bye.